Hey guys, have you ever dreamed about retiring early? You know, having a life where you can wake up without an alarm clock, spend some time doing the things that you love, and leaving all that work stress behind? Well, today I'm going to share with you 5 powerful reasons why you should consider retiring early. Let's get into it. We're going to get started with time. Time is the one thing that you can never get back. Imagine having all the time in the world to pursue things that really matter to you, whether it's family, friends, personal development, travel, all of those things. By retiring early, you get to reclaim your time back while you're healthy, not to mention while you're still full of energy. After all, life is not guaranteed. So why delay being happy and living your life on your terms? Ask yourself, what would you do if you had more time? Now think about it. You get to decide if you can create or you're going to create an environment where you can be able to do whatever you want to, regardless of how much time or when, because that's what early retirement affords you. The second reason to retire as soon as you can is health. We all have said it, health is wealth. Well, it really is, guys. And the reality of it is that, let's just face it, we're not going to be healthy forever. Many people delay retirement just to find out that they are either ill or they don't have the energy to even do anything. Retiring early gives you the opportunity to enjoy life and to remain active. It also allows you to travel and make memories while you're still healthy and well enough to do so. Think about it this way. Would you rather hike a mountain at 55 or struggle to get to the top at 75? Retiring early means living your life on your terms, especially while your body is still ready for an adventure. You may want to retire early just to pursue your passions and your hobbies. How many times have you said, I will do it or I will pursue it when I have more time? Retirement gives you that time, whether it's writing, reading, creating arts and crafts, hanging out, volunteering, whatever it is that you like to do, guys. When you are retired, you have the ability to pursue all of those things that you would love to do and that you're deserving of. Just think about it this way. Retiring gives you the opportunity to light up about something that you really wanted to do. And get this out of your head. It's not all about stopping work or not ever working again. It's all about choosing work that align with your purpose and your being and the things that you find to be very important. Retiring early really gives you the opportunity to say, I will spend my time doing what I love and not what I have to do. The fourth thing is reducing work stress. Guys, you know that in the work environment, in today's environment, it is extremely stressful. You're being told what time to be there, what time to meet, what time to work, what time to answer emails, what policies are changed, what have not changed, who is not on time, who's doing someone else's work. You have to account for the people that are not doing their work. Not to mention you have to ask for time or permission to take time away so that you can do some of the things you would like to do. But keeping in mind that even a vacation isn't a vacation because you have to answer emails and follow up during that time as well. Just face it, guys, a regular 9 to 5 is a lot of stress. Retiring early allow you to say goodbye to all of that stress and hello to a peace of mind, to joy, to freedom. I've talked to many people who said that their health and their happiness improved tremendously after they retired. It's amazing what reducing stress can do to your overall well-being. Guys, I think it's a great thing to retire and get rid of the stress. The fifth reason would be to spend time with loved ones. You know, we only live for so long. And those that love us and we love are only going to be around for a period of time also. And in the grand scheme of things, life is very short. So we have to live it and love while we're here. By retiring early, you're affording yourself the opportunity to spend that time with those family members when you can, while both of you are healthy and in the event that they may need you for something or later on down the road due to failed health or other personal needs. Can you imagine being there for your family, those important moments? Like being there for your grandchildren as they grow and being able to love on them while you have them? Or being able to spend that time with a sister or your brother or your friends, those people that mean the most to you. Time with your loved ones is priceless. And retiring early gives you that time back so that you can spend the time with those people that you love the most. There is no better freedom than being able to do what you want to and being there with your loved ones when they need you or you need them. Now, I have two more really good reasons why retiring as soon as you can would be very helpful. Number 6 would be freedom to travel. I know for a fact, having worked in corporate America for all of my life, with the exception of my military service, there are times that you want to go on a trip, or you're either on a trip and you would like to extend that trip and enjoy more of the culture and the food and just being there in the moment, but you can't because you have to get back to work because you only had a short period of time left to take for PTO. Well, being retired will give you the opportunity to pick and choose exactly where you go and for how long. You could actually stay 3 days or you can stay 3 weeks. It all depends on you and your budget and your desire to be there. This is a huge opportunity that retiring early affords you. And the last one, but not the least one, number 7, which is the opportunity to start a new chapter. How great is that? By retiring early, you are giving yourself the opportunity to do something totally different or independently of an organization, however you choose to do it. You can choose a new career. You can actually go back to a career that you once had. You can go back to school. You can consider getting married again. You can consider all those things that you once thought about, and now you have the opportunity you can pursue. You can pursue things like major volunteer work, mission work, passion projects, all of those things, or even just part-time work if that's what you desire. But the great thing about retirement is it gives you the opportunity to start that new chapter and leave all those old things in the old chapter behind if you so desire. So there you have it. 7 powerful reasons to retire as soon as you can, guys. Whether it's reclaiming your time, enjoying your health, making room so you can enjoy those that you love the most, or pursuing those passions that you have. Just remember that retiring early is about making sure that you are extremely happy with where you are in your life. And I know what some of you are thinking. What about money? And you're right. Financial planning is key here. But that's a whole nother video. Right now, we want to dwell in the moment of considering early retirement. And if you start today living below your means, investing as soon as you can, you'll be well on the road to being able to retire sooner than later. And I want you to always remember that retiring early doesn't have to be just a dream. It can be a reality. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments below, what would you do if you were to retire today? What would be the first thing that you would do starting either later today or tomorrow? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Especially share this information with someone to give them a little inspiration. Until next time.